So now let's see how we can work around with view menu options inside of Pixlr E. So in order to work around with view menu options, I'm going to go around into the view menu over here. And you can see that I have an option to zoom in, which I can use like this. And the shortcut key you can see right here, it's Ctrl++. You can also zoom out right here just like this. And other option is you can fit it to screen right here so that the entire image just fits right there. And then you can fill the screen by filling it out onto the entire working space as well. You can set to 100%, which sets 1 pixel to 1 pixel on your screen. And then you can go for 200% or 300% to zoom in even further by using this option. You can go to toggle preview mode right here, which gets it onto the full screen mode right here, just like this, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around and then close this. You can see that this is completely full screen right here once I go into the toggle mode right here. So just like this, I'm going to just press escape and then I'm going to go around, and you can also toggle full screen right here just like this. So that just depends on this one. So you can go around into full screen. It actually changes the browser mode to full screen right there. And you can toggle dark and light mode, as you can see. So you can go for darker type of the mode right here, or a lighter tone onto your onto your interface as well, according to what you like. I'm just going to go around and turn it to darker tone because that is what I'm used to. And that is how you can work around with the view menu options inside of Pixlr E. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.